Alright, Leon here 904BM again, working on some laptops. This time, the fan for this one not working. So when this laptop come on, it's heating up. Alright, took out the fan, check the fan with a 12 volt supply. This is actually a 5 volt fan. Have an adjustable meter here going from 0 to, what is this? I think 30 volts or something like that, yeah. And check the fan trying to spin but not spinning. So I have to replace it with a fan. I have another fan from my old laptop I took apart, but the fan a little too big and the jack's different. Nothing is ever easy. Right, so this is the fan that's working from another laptop. Jack completely different, housing not lining up, and name fitting in for me to say stick it in. So going on an attempt to cut out this fan from this housing to use back this housing. Same thing, cut out this fan, stick it into this housing, get everything lined up, change the jack, plug it back into a laptop. So let's see how that goes.